After the shocking allegations against Deepika Padukone, there are now reports that actor-producer Dia Mirza has been named by an alleged peddler of banned substances. While no official summons have gone out to the actor yet, she has issued a statement on social media categorically denying the allegations. दीपिका पादुकोण के खिलाफ हुए एलिगेशंस ने पूरे बॉलीवुड को हिलाकर रख दिया है। दीपिका फिलहाल गोवा में अपनी अगली फिल्म की शूट के लिए गई है, बट सोर्सेस से कि शायद उन्हें जल्द ही एनसीबी से समन्स मिल सकता है। Producer Madhu Mantena is another big shot from Bollywood who will be summoned after Jaya Saha allegedly took his name during her questioning by the NCB. As the matter intensifies, we now hear that actor-producer Dia Mirza is also under the NCB scanner. According to NCB sources, Dia was named by an arrested peddler being questioned by the NCB. The peddler's girlfriend was reportedly Dia's manager and used to supply banned substances to the actor. According to news reports, the NCB also had details of what banned substances were supplied to Dia. Dia's manager is likely to be summoned first by the NCB, after which the actor herself may be called in for questioning. Dia has in the meanwhile issued an immediate clarification via a statement on social media where she said, "I would like to strongly refute and categorically deny this news as being false, baseless and with malified intentions. Such frivolous reporting has a direct impact on my reputation being besmirched and is causing damage to my career, which I have painstakingly built with years of hard work." Dia has gone on record to deny that she ever procured or consumed banned substances. "I have never procured or consumed any narcotic or contraband substances of any form in my life. I intend to pursue the full extent of legal remedies available to me as a law-abiding citizen of India. Thanks to my supporters for standing by me." It is a shocking development indeed, given that Dia is a very conscientious citizen who often raises her voice on important social issues. It remains to be seen how the NCB will now proceed in this matter.